This United Real Estate Infinity property video is presented by Rick Hogue. This home is what you've been searching for. The perfect example of a Florida bungalow, this house impresses with low-maintenance landscaping and lots of updates. When first stepping into this bright and sunny home, you will find an open living, dining, and kitchen area. To the right is the owner's suite, which has been redone and has the ultimate in walk-in closets along with a gorgeous ensuite. The kitchen has a full complement of appliances that will remain, and the countertops are Corian. The hallway bath has also been remodeled with a seamless glass shower wall and cast iron tub. The second bedroom is large and perfect for guests or as an office space if needed. The one-car garage has energy-efficient LED lighting, and the owners installed a tankless hot water heater as well. The garage, if not used for a car, is an ideal workshop space. The washer and dryer are included as well. The Florida room, while not part of the main square footage, has heat and air and is currently used as a combination greenhouse and sunroom. The low-maintenance backyard is well landscaped while still allowing for plenty of space for a pool in the future. In addition, the metal roof was installed in 2017, and all